Hi, I wanted to walk you through the installation of the fourth wall solutions hook rack on a garage door with rollers installed upside down. So first of all, you'll have two hollow roller tube inserts. The first one, the upper one, will go like this. The second one, you want to insert the zip tie through two holes on it with the flat side towards the garage. So you're going to come through this from the left hand side through the right hand side with this flat side against the garage door. All right, so first insert goes in like this, flat side against the door. And then you want to take this C clamp or C shaped piece of plastic and pop it onto the machined part of the tube. It should be very easy to do it just by hand. And this will sit there with a little bit of play in it. Now, take the second roller insert, do the same thing. That'll get seated with a little bit less play because the zip tie is in there. Now take the hooks rack, this clip part, and put it onto the top roller. Now, you have the bottom roller insert in place, and just tighten that up with the zip tie. Don't do it too tight because you don't want to actually bend the hooks rack, but put it roughly that tight. All right, so that's the installation process for a hooks rack on a door with upside down hinges.